I just wanted to show you how it's set up now in the end. I measured everything and I used a ruler and I put it very neatly, and that's how it looks at the moment until I have my photo stickers. So I made one for Polyglot Pocket Lovett and one for Polyglot Mona, and that's how it is now. So the first one has the flag German, because those will be 5 videos with German audio about the series 1000 verbs. Part 1a, that's the verb to be in present tense. Polyglot Pocket Lovett is the logo, and then I will go to I will film it first and then go to Google Drive, do it on Documents and PPTX, and then download it as Keynote. Canva is not necessary in this series, and then iMovie, and then WordPress is the blog post, and then YouTube and Patreon, and then Shopify and eBay, then TikTok and Insta, and then Facebook, and then I'm done. And then I go to a restaurant with my son and to the thermal bath. And it's done when it's done in all the versions. So German English, German French, German Spanish, German Italian, German Russian. And then I just put a smiley and a heart here because otherwise the photo sticker will not be full. And then Polyglot Mona is different because it's not bilingual. So I put a smiley here because this photo sticker has to be full as well, a frog here. Then the logo is Polyglot Mona. The series is, for example, planning. And then I make the video filming first, and then I go to Google Drive, the other way around. I have to change that here as well. I need the script first before I film. Why didn't I think about that? That's the good thing about this erasable pen. You can change some things. So first I have to Google dog, and then I have to film with my GoPro. And also what I realized, I don't do Canva in Polyglot Pocket Lovett. Maybe I can put an audio picture here, because that's what I have to do before I do the video. And here it's also first the script and then filming. I need the black pen. So I can put that it's Polyglot Mona here. And the series is, for example, the hiking guide, which I had originally only in German, and it has 3 W's in its title in German. And then the frog is called, or the first one is Lake Amma. And those are several villages. And there's a first village. I've already completed that one. And the other things are the same as here, but then it's only those languages. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, and then I'm done. But it's 6 videos. And this one is 5 videos. So always 2 belong together. German, English, German, French, German, Spanish, German, Italian, German, Russian. I'll make a smiley from that. And now I will start. I will go to the toilet. I will find another parking lot because this one at McDonald's is only for 2 hours. I've come here at 1 p.m. and now it's 2:40 p.m. I can go to the toilet and then return and go to another parking lot and then start working. I know now how this can be an extra reward to put the photo sticker when the tasks are done. So, for example, when I've done all the German combinations of this video in doc and filmed it, then I may put those stickers. So the one photo sticker which contains 6. Another motivation that I want to complete it, to have that sticker. And before I put it there, I can check it off. For example, I put here the combinations: English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian, and then I may mark them green when they are done. And here with the GoPro, it's 6 different. I put them here. Not D for Deutsch, it's G for German. G, E, F, S, I, R. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. Yeah, and same everywhere. Same everywhere. I will complete that and then continue my work because I already started working. I made one video in German in the small forest here, and then 6 shorts in all the 6 languages, and I made the bathing video for the next 3 days, and one post on Patreon where I have my bathing videos, and I did a lot in just 1 hour.